Mastering predictive maintenance. PdM without a strategist is a digital disaster waiting to happen. Who will be responsible for ensuring that predictive maintenance, PdM, aligns with our organization's overall digital transformation strategy, so that we can achieve operational excellence? To ensure that predictive maintenance, PdM, aligns with our organization's overall digital transformation strategy and achieves operational excellence, we recommend the formation of a cross-functional leadership team responsible for overseeing the implementation and maintenance of PdM. This team, dubbed the Predictive Maintenance Strategy Team, PMST, will consist of key stakeholders from various departments, including maintenance, operations, IT, and digital transformation. The PMST will be responsible for ensuring that PdM is integrated into our organization's broader digital strategy and that it aligns with our overall operational excellence goals. The PMST will be led by a designated leader, preferably the Chief Digital Officer, CDO, or a similar role, who will oversee the development and implementation of the PdM strategy. The CDO will be responsible for ensuring that PdM is aligned with our organization's digital transformation roadmap and that it leverages our existing technology infrastructure. The PMST will include members from various departments, including 1. Maintenance Department. A maintenance manager or supervisor will represent the maintenance team and provide input on the operational requirements and needs of the maintenance department. 2. Operations Department. An operations manager or supervisor will represent the operations team and provide input on the operational requirements and needs of the operations department. 3. IT Department. The IT department will be represented by a subject matter expert in data analytics, IoT, or industrial automation, who will provide technical guidance on the implementation of PdM technology. 4. Digital Transformation Team. A digital transformation leader or program manager will represent the digital transformation team and provide input on the overall digital strategy and roadmap. The PMSD will be responsible for 1. Developing a comprehensive PdM strategy that aligns with our organization's digital transformation strategy and operational excellence goals. 2. Identifying and prioritizing high-impact use cases for PdM, focusing on critical assets, and developing a roadmap for implementation. 3. Establishing a governance model for PdM, defining roles and responsibilities, and ensuring that the necessary resources are allocated. 4. Coordinating with the IT department to ensure that the necessary infrastructure, including data management and analytics platforms, are in place to support PdM. 5. Defining metrics and KPIs to measure the success of PdM and track progress towards operational excellence goals. 6. Identifying and mitigating risks associated with PdM, including cybersecurity risks, data privacy, and compliance with regulatory requirements. 7. Developing a training program to ensure that maintenance and operations personnel have the necessary skills to effectively use PdM technology. 8. Establishing a continuous improvement process to ensure that PdM is regularly reviewed and optimized to ensure its effectiveness in achieving operational excellence. By establishing the PMST, our organization will ensure that PdM is integrated into our overall digital transformation strategy and aligns with our operational excellence goals, ultimately achieving world-class maintenance and operations.